Hey guys, how's it going? How to solve voter registration mistakes. So, verify your registration status online through your state's election office website. Collect necessary documents such as ID, proof of residency, or previous registration details, and reach out to your local election office directly via phone or email to report the mistake. Follow the specific procedures provided by your election office for correcting or updating your registration, and if necessary, complete and submit a new voter registration form with the correct info. After submitting changes, check back to ensure your registration has been updated properly. Acting promptly is essential, especially close to an election, to ensure your eligibility to vote. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like.